How to deposit Bybit. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can deposit on Bybit. So then to begin with, first of all, go ahead and log into your Bybit account. That's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first of all, you need to make sure that your account is verified and that you've already linked your bank account and all that. Now then to begin with, you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side, and that's going to take you to the more page, and from here you need to go to deposit. So first thing, you need to select what asset that you're depositing. So in my case, I'm going to go with ACH, and you have to go ahead and type in the network type as well. And once you've done that, you need to first thing verify identity as already mentioned, and only then you'll begin with the next step. And after you've done that, then you need to click on the deposit to enter the deposited page. After that, you need to select the coin you'd like to deposit. Then you need to select the chain type that you will be using, and you've successfully deposited the amount or asset into your Bybit account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.